Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and a happy new year and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Today's video can be a really big gift for the Stellar holders and the traders as well, because the Stellar has formed another very big bullish reversal move. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this move, and this is also one of my suggested trade for my Patreons as well. If you didn't join me there, then I've also shared the link in the video's description to join me on the Patreon. You can find there, and this will be also very good support for my channel and very good trading experience for yourself as well. Now, first of all, let me just show you my previous ideas that will give you better understanding about this move of the Stellar that is formed recently on the long-term weekly chart. Previously, we have seen I shared this idea almost a year ago. You can see here I shared this idea in September 2019. Then I again shared this idea in November 2019. And here I shared this idea almost a year ago in January 2020. And here I posted another follow-up chart, and that was in May 2020. And here we can see that when I shared this idea, the price action was moving around at 5 cents. And from there, if I'll play this idea, then you can see that it produced more than 360% bullish rally. I'm just opening this chart, and after that, I'll play this chart, and you can see how this chart worked and executed. And before that, I've also told you that before this move, the price action of Stellar also formed another bullish bad pattern on the weekly chart, and that was back in 2017. And this was the formation that was formed this time was bigger than the previous formation, because previously it was a bad pattern on the weekly chart, but this time it was formed on the monthly chart. You can see that XLM USD, US dollar chart with the time period of 1 month. So this time the chart was bigger, and we can expect a bigger move than the previous one, because previously it was formed on the weekly chart, and this time it is formed on the monthly chart. I'm just going to play this chart. And now you can see that the price action spiked, and it is more than 360% rally. For example, let me just show you here. This was a previous move when the price action produced more than 4,000% rally, and this bad pattern was formed on the weekly chart. And this time it was formed on the monthly chart. And this was the realistic move that I shared with you. This was a Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And I was expecting minimum from 23.15 cents to 41.35 cents. This is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, and the Fibonacci sequence where it should move realistically. And you can see that so far it has spiked more than to 23.15 cents. That is 23.1846 cents. But I'm expecting more move, because this is just a correction we are watching at this time. And again, after that, I just posted another chart, and recently I posted this chart previously with you guys, and I told you that the price action can spike up to 20 cents. And this time I predicted at November 15, and the price action broke out this wedge and produced rally even beyond 20 cents up to 23.1846 cents. But now again, during this move, if we take a look at the live weekly chart at this time, this is the same rising wedge. We can see that the price action broke out this resistance of the rising wedge. At this time, it is retesting this previous resistance of the wedge as a support. That is really very healthy move, but I'm expecting that the price action will this time again completely re-enter in this wedge, but that will be for another bullish reversal move. If we place this pattern tool, and if we first cash the initial leg, this is the initial leg, and after that it is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886, and this is the projection of A to B leg. And after that it is moving down, and as per bad pattern, it should be retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. And over here, we have a very firm support of this rising wedge pattern. Why we have very firm support? Because number one, we have the potential reversal zone of this bad pattern at this support. And if we take a look at this chart, this is the daily chart, then we have the 200 simple moving average at almost 10 cents. And you can see, and here I have perfectly placed this pattern tool here with all the calculation. This is the same pattern that I have shown here. Let me copy and paste this pattern here so we can be able to watch this pattern and this move more perfectly. We can see that now we have the support of this rising wedge pattern support, and we also have the support of this potential reversal zone of BAT. We also have the support of this 200 simple moving average on the daily chart, and here on the weekly chart we also have the supports of 150 simple moving averages. Let me copy and paste these moving averages as well. I'm just copying this 100 simple moving average from here. And we can see that we have a very good support of 150 simple moving averages as well. And the 50 simple moving average is moving up to form a bull cross or golden cross with 100 simple moving average. And in my previous so many videos, I have been telling you that whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is considered as a very strong buying signal among the traders community. And whenever it happens, a lot of traders jump into the asset to buy it. For example, at this time we are watching this move in the Stellar, so there can be a big possibility that a big number of traders will jump into the Stellar to buy it, and they will take the price action to the upside. Now, this move is not one that I'm showing you at this time because I've already predicted this move in my previous video, and also I suggested my Patreons as well. Like for example, here on the TradingView, I posted this chart on December 13, and I also showed you this move in my previous video as well, that there is a possibility that if the price action on the daily chart will break down this 25 simple moving average, then it will move down to form and complete this final leg of the bullish bat pattern. And now I'm just going to play this chart. You can see that the price action broke down the 25 simple moving average and went very close to this potential reversal zone, but at this time it is again moving down to complete this leg, and this move can be more clearly seen on the weekly chart. At this time the price action is moving. According to some traders, some experts, this move of bat pattern can be completed between 0.618 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level as well. If we watch at this pattern, according to that point of view, the pattern is completed. But that is my personal experience that most of the times, whenever the price action goes to form a bat pattern, it goes between 0.786 to 0.886. Therefore, I'm in favor of this opinion that the bat formation, the final leg of the bat formation, completes between 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. So I'm expecting that it will be entered in this potential reversal zone, and it will produce a very, very strong bullish rally. Realistically, we can expect 0.14 means 14.14 to almost 20 cents. This is a realistic move, but it can also produce a bigger move because this time this is the second time it is forming a bad pattern on the long term. Previous chart was on the monthly chart, on the monthly time period, and this time it has formed on the weekly chart. And we've already seen that in 2017 when this bat was formed on the weekly chart. Let me just show you that move again. Then the price action of Stellar produced more than 4,000% rally. For example, if at this time the price action will again start the bull rally and it will produce more than 4,000% rally, then we can expect that the Stellar can move beyond $5. Here you can see this move again. Back in 2017, the price action formed a bad pattern on the weekly chart and produced more than 4,000% rally. So, but realistically, we can expect that the Stellar can move from this potential reversal zone between 14.14 to 20 cents. This is a realistic move. However, it can move even beyond that. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to follow me on the Patreon, then I have shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.